I had no idea what was happening. I showed up way too late, and I was like, I don't know what this is doing. They expected me to know every fucking.
She like killed somebody on the other side.